fat, hungry bitch, fat, hungry bitch, fat, hungry bitch, Look at that bitch cheek. Fat, hungry bitch, that's a fat, hungry bitch.
So what are we doing today, man?
Oh, we're just doing this fat, hungry bitch. We're gonna do it, and I love everything you do, you know.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Can't wait for it to come out.
You got that right. Everybody waiting on it. Bitch, hungry bitch. Look at that bitch cheek. Ooh, fat, hungry bitch. That's a fat, hungry bitch. Fat, hungry bitch. Fat, hungry bitch.
We're doing Rack City, parody of Rack City. So instead of Rack City, Rack City, bitch. That shit, it's gonna be fat, hungry bitch. That's a fat, hungry bitch. We're gonna get like a 300-pound chick to be eating chicken wings and throwing Twinkies and chicken wings at her. Shit like that. Hi. This is behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
Yeah.
That hungry bitch, that's me. I smell bacon, but ain't none in my stomach yet, so let's get it cracking.
10 twinkles on a teddy bitch.
Bro, it's the behind the scenes guy, and he's in my behind the scenes.
Oh, I'm like two layers deep. It's behind the scenes-ception right now. Shit's getting crazy.
Yeah,
Jet Set Hudson in the building.
Oh, yeah. And
Wonderful event.
where'd you get these chains?
Ladies here.
They're awesome, huh?
Flavor Flav's resale shop.
Yeah.
Shake her limbs, let her heart. Let's break it down.
You can just do shake her limbs, make her
Lord.
yeah, make her lard flap hard. So
Smells good. Where's the hot sauce?
We're making some bacon here. We've got underneath there, we got kind of a bacon weave going on.
that's for the bacon purse.
Yes, that is for the bacon purse.
This is looking good.
Here we go. Nuke some more of this shit.
Look at the size of her arm. Shake a limb, make a lard flap hard. Make that bitch eat out.
Yeah,
I make that bitch eat out.
good. That's
Make that
that'll
bitch
work.
eat out.
And now do like a long, like kind of like a lick up it.
Now fill her up with carbs. 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 She need McDonald's pump. 7 quarter pounds down a pie hole.
What happened to the chicken?
Chicken got effed up. Yeah, like a 9.0 on the Richter scale, the chicken couldn't survive.
It still looks pretty good though.
Did I do that?
So I'm doing wonderful. Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun here. It's in the studio, enjoying myself and really having a good time. In Hollywood, where it's all happened. Amen. 10 twinkles on a teddy bitch. Fat, hungry bitch. That's a fat, hungry bitch. Fat, hungry bitch. That's a fat, hungry bitch. Fat, hungry bitch. That's a fat, hungry bitch. 10 twinkles on a teddy bitch. I'm going drumstick. I'm going drumstick. I'm going drumstick. Fat, hungry.
Get it? That hungry bitch, I think it's gonna be big, don't you?
Yes, fat, hungry bitch. Everybody gonna want this. Fat, hungry bitch. That's a fat, hungry bitch. 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 10 twinkles on a teddy bitch. I'm going drumstick. I'm going drumstick. I'm going drumstick. Fat, hungry bitch. That's a fat, hungry bitch.